Hello everyone! Today we'll do a simple science activity. Our goal is to find out how sunlight affects the growth of plants or kung paano nakakatulong ang araw sa pagtubo ng halaman. Materials for this activity, we need soil or lupa, itagalog natin, water, 2 pots, mango seeds, ruler, and magnifying glass. Step 1, ilagay natin ang 2 paso ng label. Diba? This is pot A, and this is pot B. Step 2, maglagay ng 5 pirasong mungo seed. Each na lang. Yun na lang sa pot A. Saka kailangan natin takpan na iwalay. Okay. Ngayon naman sa pot B. Yan na yung isa. So ngayon naman, kailangan natin antayin tumubo ang mga dahon. See you! After 2 days, may dahon na nga ang ating plants. Kaya ilalabas na natin sa direct sunlight ang ating pot B. Hi guys! Quick plant update. It's been 2 weeks since I planted mango seeds in 2 pots. Pot A and pot B. And look at the difference. Pot A, ito yung nilagay ko sa shaded area. Kita nyo? Mahaba siya pero super payat. At parang naghanap talaga ng araw. Medyo pale din yung leaves. Kaya obvious na kulang siya sa sunlight. Pot B naman, ito yung may direct sunlight. Kapal ng growth, mas upright, mas healthy looking yung leaves. Mas compact, mas sturdy. Parang mas confident siya sa buhay. So ayan, proof na kahit munggo lang, sunlight talaga makes a big difference in how strong and healthy your plants grow. At cut mo yun pa ah.